While stemming just chops off the end of a word, lemmatization reduces a word to a meaningful base form while preserving its intended meaning. Lemmatization is more sophisticated as it references a predefined dictionary to find the correct base form of a word. This way, it knows the context of the word and uses that information to reduce it to its proper base form. We usually end up with real, meaningful words. The trade-off, however, is that we may still have more unique words in our dataset compared to stemming. Now, let's apply lemmatization to our connect tokens, learn tokens, and likes tokens. To get started with lemmatization, we'll use the NLTK package once again. First, we need to download a resource called WordNet. WordNet is an extensive lexical database of English, basically a built-in dictionary that the lemmatizer uses to make sure the base forms it produces are real words. Then we import the WordNet lemmatizer from NLTK. Next, we create a lemmatizer by typing WordNet lemmatizer with empty parentheses. Let's now run our for loops again, this time taking our connect tokens, printing each one out, then lemmatizing them and displaying the results. Here, lemmatizer.lemmatize takes the token T and looks it up in the WordNet dictionary to return its proper base form. You can see that earlier, when we had completed our stemming, all these connect tokens were stemmed down to the word connect. In contrast, during lemmatization, all words remain unchanged. They have not been reduced to one single word. This is helpful because it preserves more of the word's meaning. But, as mentioned, it also means our dataset will be larger, since we're not shrinking multiple words into a single token. Let's try this again with our learn tokens. Here again, the only change is that the word learners has been reduced to learner. Everything else has been left as is. Finally, for our likes tokens, we can see a clear difference. The word worse remains unchanged, whereas during stemming, it was reduced to wers, losing the final E. This shows how lemmatization keeps the word in a proper, meaningful form, instead of cutting it down to a fragment.